स्वतंत्रता सेनानी नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस को याद रहे हो। उनका जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897।
ಭಾರತ ಎಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ನಾಡು, ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾರತಾಂಬೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಭಾರತ ಎಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ಅಪಾರ from Kodagu, Panjanta Aipaliyappa and Guddamane Appaya Gowda. Both showed immense courage and sacrificed their lives and comfort so that India could be free. Panjanta Aipaliyappa, famously known as the Gandhi of Kodagu, was a fearless freedom fighter, a dedicated Gandhian politician, and a visionary leader from Kodagu.
We proudly celebrate 80 years of India's independence. Let us always love our country, respect our national flag, and work together to make India stronger.
Remember and thank our brave freedom fighters for their great sacrifices. Some of our great leaders were Mahatma Gandhi ji, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Jawaharlal Nehru.
Well, it is National Elephant Day. Elephants are the strongest land animals. They live in large herds headed by the oldest female. They are found in Africa, Southeast Asian countries, and of course India. African elephants are the biggest in the world. They have large ears. They fan
महान चप्पू सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का याद करने के लिए हुए हैं। वंदे मातरम सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां ತಾಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಕ್ಕಲು ಒಂದೇ ತಾಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡಿ ಹಾಡಿದಾಗ ಗೆಲುವು ಗೀತೆಗೆ ಭರತ ಮಾತೆಗೆ ಕೂಡಿ